Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews with Moose. I have a special unboxing today. It is from the Boston Scally Company. This is the first Boston Scally Company review I've done since I did my whole collection, which was one of my, it was over an hour-long upload I have had that I just recently updated about 3-4 weeks ago. But this is my first one I've done since. This is their anniversary edition, the 12th anniversary edition. And I ordered a medium and an extra large. The reason I do that with this is because I know they sell out. And I know if I do not get the right size, then I won't be able to get it replaced. But I've been reading a lot of comments on the internet saying that there's a huge issue with the sizing. So I'm thinking that the extra large is going to be way too big from everything I've been seeing. And the medium may fit like an extra large, which I'm hoping is the best for my worst case scenario. All right, so here it is here. And there's that. And this. Okay, let's go ahead and get right into it. This is the pins that came with it. Pretty cool looking pins. I don't know which one I'll probably put on there. I'll probably put the Underground one on there because this is considered the Underground. Of course, we got the 2 bags, dust bags. Really cool artwork. Really do like it. And these are them. These are the 12th anniversary, the Underground by Boston Scally, the Prohibition Era edition, I should say. Let's go ahead and get this one. This one is the medium large, which I think is the one I'll probably end up having to keep. Let's go ahead and take the cardboard out. This is it here. Nice looking colors. Very nice. And last year was my first year I got an anniversary cap because that was when I first started collecting the caps. There it is there, what they look like. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull these over on the bed over here, show you a close-up. And then I'll come back, I'll try them on, I'll show you the difference of the sizing. And I will tell you by looking at this extra large, it looks quite large. So yeah, let's go ahead and show you a close-up on the bed and I'll be right back. All right, so here they are, the close-up. This is the pins. Cool looking pins. I'm probably going to put this one here on there. That one there. Of course, the bag, really cool looking bag. I'm a big fan of the dust bags. And here's the cap. Nice looking colors. Of course, you got this on the inside. One thing I was a little upset about is I actually ordered the long sleeve shirt as well. And I ordered that roughly about 20 minutes after the release. And I got a notification a few days later that my shirt was canceled because they didn't have it in stock. And so that was kind of disappointing, but I got a refund for like 40 bucks. But that is the cap there. Like I said, these are pretty good artwork. This is the silk screened in so it doesn't stick to your bald head like myself. It's got the checkered there with a brown leatherette brim. So let's go ahead and go back to the video there. We're going to try it on. All right, so we are back. We're going to go and try this one on here. First we're going to do is the medium large. Again, this is it here. We're going to see how well this fits. And again, medium large, and that fits perfect. This one does not have a size discrepancy at all. This one actually fits really well. Fits like a normal medium large, so I guess I got lucky on that. But it is a great looking cap. I'm going to take this off and put the pin on there real quick. Like I said, I'm going to put the Underground pin on there because I just thought that would look the best. And they made you buy the whole kit for the pins. Of course, that's just the way Boston Scally is now. Is you just gotta, they get you by the, you know what. But yep, so that is the pin there. Looks pretty good on the cap, a little large, and that's the medium large. So now for you know what's and giggles, we're going to go ahead and try the extra large on there because I'm pretty sure I'm going to send this back, or if somebody wants to reach out to me that they need an extra large on the messages or the comments, I'll be more than happy to let this go at the regular price. I'm not trying to make money on it. And this is the extra large. Yeah, this is definitely, as you can see here, I probably tuck my ears in this. Yeah, see that? And I got big ears. Yeah, it's definitely fits a lot larger than an extra large. So with that being said, we're going to keep the medium large. If I don't get anything in the comments in the next few days, I will go ahead and send this one back. Now, if somebody wants to reach out to me saying they want the extra large size, just put it in the comments. I know most of you guys know me on the Facebook pages. Just send me a message on Facebook as well. But again, this is reviews of moose. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this 12th anniversary or 12th edition. And see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.